and Democratic parties, because they are not our friends. You know what I mean? The Republicans and Democrats are just not our friends. They are working against our interests. That's why our children don't get educated. That's why we get sick. That's why people who work to build America can't afford to own a house in America. You know, that's why our money is worth less all the time. That's why there's so much suffering, because the people we elect are not working for us. They're working for the corporations that hire them after they quit their jobs. You know, that's just it. And it's not like I always try in all my books like that to speak from a pedestrian level. I mean, to say, I'm no smarter than anybody I'm talking to, but hey, look at this. Does this make sense? How come we live in the richest country in the history of the world and everybody isn't educated? How come people can't retire? How come people can't own a house? How come if you're sick in Cuba, you just walk into a room and they take care of you? Cuba's one of the poorest countries in the world. But in Cuba, if you're sick, you walk into a room, the doctor says, well, let me take a look, and they fix you. In America, they say, well, do you have your insurance card? They say, well, if you're breathing and you're not bleeding and your heart is still pumping, I don't have to do shit for you. You know, that's America. You know, I mean, that's the simple. And you know, and
and I remember that. I'm glad you told me a line that I remember.
I'm glad I didn't say the wrong line, wrong book. I don't want to take that line. Anytime you want to say, I don't know how, my first thought is, I need to get to the international library.
Right, exactly.
All right, well, I'll see you at the
I'm going over to see you. You have to walk with me. You're going to talk.